In front of me is POCO F6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Privacy. Then hit Permission Manager and click on one of your device's features to manage, or tap on any feature to find an app that you wish to manage instead. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on the feature anyway. Now to manage location access to any of those apps, tap on the chosen one, select one of those options, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow, and go back. If you want to, you can also pick, for example, the same app and scroll all the way down to select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!